In this video, we'll show you what to do if you can't preview PDF files in File Explorer and keep getting this error that says the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer. So this is due to a new Windows security update that has made these changes. However, it's possible to fix it. So if you are getting this error for a specific file, you can simply right click on it and then select Properties. In here, you can select this unblock option and then hit apply followed by OK. You can simply restart the File Explorer and your issue should be resolved. However, unblocking each PDF file manually can take time. Fortunately, there is also another way. So for that, simply open the search menu and then type in PowerShell. Now here select Run as Administrator. Now in the PowerShell window, you will need to run a command. So I'll also leave it in the description so you can copy it from there. However, once you have copied this command, you will need to replace the admin here with your own username. So I'll just type my username. If you don't know your username, you can head to the PowerShell window and your username will be shown here. Simply enter it here, then copy the entire command. Now paste it in the PowerShell window and then hit enter. So what this command will do is unblock all the PDF files that are in your downloads folder so you can preview them easily. However, this only works for your existing PDF files. If you want to apply the same changes to all your future downloads, there's also a way to do that. For that, simply head to the search menu again and this time type in Registry Editor. Now select Run as Administrator. Now you will need to head to the video description and then copy this particular path. Once you have copied this path, simply erase the existing path and then paste it here. Now hit enter and this will take you to this policies folder. Simply right click on it and then select new and then select key. Now you will need to name it attachments. Once you have created this key, simply right click anywhere on an empty spot on your right. Go to new and then select dword 32-bit value. Now you will need to rename it to save zone information. Now double click it and then change its value data to 1. Now hit OK. Now simply go ahead and restart your Windows 11 PC or laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if you don't want to mess with the registry or if you don't want to apply any commands, there's also an easy way. So head to the search menu and then type in uninstall updates. Now select the first result. This will take you to the settings app. Here you should see this particular security update. All you have to do is simply click on this uninstall button and then follow the prompts to uninstall the update. Once you do, your issue should be resolved and you should no longer face any errors while previewing files. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.